Okay, what do we have today?
More of anything is usually better. And while I can't get you more vacation time or a higher salary, you can use Omron's E2E Next series proximity sensors for up to 4 times the sensing distance of a standard M12 sensor. The longer sensing range lets you place the sensor farther from the target to reduce the risk of damage, provides more detection margin to tolerate motion such as vibration, or you can get the same distance from a smaller sensor for increased mounting flexibility. The sensors also have an output indicator visible from 360 degrees for fast and easy detection validation to minimize maintenance downtime. DC 2-wire and DC 3-wire sensors are available with NPN or PNP outputs and optional shielding, while the IO-Link interface option improves monitoring and predictive maintenance. Sensors are offered with various connection options, a splatter-resistant coating, and protection up to IP69K.